This year's GPC will be the biggest MOBOTIX has ever made, and we prepared a lot to get the best results.
Our expectations from our Global Partner Conference 2019 is basically that our partners will make the next step in the evolution together with MOBOTIX.
This type of business is all about the friendships that you create and the trust and sharing leads and working together on key projects.
The MOBOTIX partners are a very special type of installer, integrator, forward-thinking.
Our booth concept is deep learning, AI technologies. Now Konica Minolta developed internally our original unique deep learning technology.
Wir haben bisher sehr viele Anfragen auch und Gespräche gehabt, die sich sehr stark um unser neues Produkt PE Lite gedreht haben.
So a lot of buzz, a lot of happiness, a lot of excitement, but predominantly our M73. So the new platform, which is a game changer as we see it with the inbuilt analytics.
Und da sind wir sehr stark aufgestellt für die Zukunft, ja, um neue Märkte zu erobern und mit diesem Produkt weiter vorwärts zu gehen.
Good evening!
It doesn't stop here, it continues, and we're responsible for that continuum of the evolution and ensuring that we're in tandem with our partners, that we're delivering on our promises.